Police investigators are probing the shooting death of a man at a bar in Falkland District near Bournebrook in Portland on Thursday. Residents identified the deceased as Bertie Bromley of an address in the parish. He was said to be in his late 50s. Reports said that about 5:45 p.m. Bromley was standing in front the bar when a motor vehicle was driven up to the location. An armed man alighted from the vehicle and opening fire which hit Bromley. The gunman then fled the scene in the waiting motor vehicle. Bromley reportedly succumbed to his injuries on the scene. A total of 6 persons have been killed in Portland since the start of the year. The operator has been charged with murder, accessory after the fact, misprision of a felony, and unlawful burial of a body following the killing and subsequent burial of 33-year-old security officer Kevin Anderson of Rosewood Drive, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, in his community on Wednesday, May 1. Charged is 35-year-old Paul Drummond, otherwise called Chris, of Fraser's Content, also in the parish. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that Anderson, who was reported missing, was found in a shallow grave in the Meadows area of Spanish Town on Wednesday, May 8. Investigations revealed Anderson was killed and transported in a motor vehicle by a group of men and driven by Drummond to the burial site. Drummond was taken into custody on Monday, May 20, after an investigation and was later charged after an interview in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized. 22-year-old truck driver Tyrese Dixon of Top Alls All, Clarendon, has been charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, accessory before the fact, and attempting to pervert the court of justice in relation to the chopping death of an elderly man on November 5, 2023. Dead is 82-year-old Eustace Ricketts, a farmer of Top Alls All. Reports from the Maypen police are that about 3:30 a.m., Dixon and an accomplice allegedly forced their way into Ricketts' home and chopped him to death. Dixon later reportedly told investigators that he knew nothing about the murder as he did not witness it. Following extensive investigations, Dixon's involvement in the murder was reportedly borne out and he was arrested. On Saturday, May 18, he reportedly admitted to having been present at the time of the incident, which was done in the presence of 2 justices of peace. Dixon was subsequently charged and his court date is being finalized.